Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create animated stickers in Telegram. So before you begin, make sure you already have a short video or animation ready on your device, and you can create it using an editing app such as CapCut or Alight Motion. So set the animation to 512 by 512 pixels and keep it between 1 and 3 seconds. Use simple text, emojis, or effects without adding too much. So once finished, export it as an MP4 at 30 frames per second, and then remove the audio and save it to your device. Next, open Telegram and search for the official sticker bot and open the chat and tap start. Then type the command new video to begin creating a new animated sticker pack. Now, I want you to upload the MP4 video that you prepared, and then after Telegram processes the file, the bot will ask you to choose an emoji that matches the sticker. And then I want you to select an emoji that represents the animation, such as a happy face, laughing emoji, or fire emoji. So to add more stickers to the same pack, continue uploading your other MP4 videos and assign an emoji to each one. And once you have added all your stickers, type publish and follow the instructions from the bot to complete your sticker pack. And that is how you can create and publish your own animated stickers in Telegram. So keep your video shorts clear and simple so that they look good and are easy to use in conversations. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.